Yes. I am. Oh, top. Okay. Yeah, this is the top of the Mountain Glen Sylmar Trail. It stops here. I don't know whether they can continue on here or not. I haven't tried, but as you can see, yeah, right now there's no skydiver ready to jump, but this is where they jump. But I'll show you the view. Quite nice here. Yep. You see it? Oops. You see this where wide angle view of the Sylmar Mountain Glen community, and there's all the trail that I was using to come up here. So this is it. I'm going as far as the edge of trail, and I don't think I can. Yeah, right here, it stops right here. You see my tennis shoes? You don't want to go beyond that. It would be nice to jump if you were a skydiver here, right? Okay, thanks for viewing, and I better go back down. Bye. You see the east side of mountain.